Kulang daw, kulang daw. Oh, sige, kami na. Okay na daw. Asa na ba? Asa na ba? Komentator. Oh, siya wala komentator. Kaya taon, bago-bago. Ayun, sige po, may minute lang na. 4 lang. 4. Oh. 4. Puro ka size. Hindi ka mas. Ipon lang. Boy, nagana mo no? Time? Okay, mag-time siya. Makita mo siya.
Yes, partner. Ito talaga yung dapat gawin ng San Pedro kasi medyo maliliit sila kumpara sa RMC. They need to defense dito para sa RMC para to create turnovers. Gaya nga nang nangyari doon. They force a turnover. Great attack there by San Pedro College.
Appearance at the free throw line for Keith Marquez as he nails the first free throw. So ito si Keith Marquez, 6'1 forward mula sa Barangay W. Aquino. Dinhi sa Dakbayan sa Davao. As he goes 2 for 2 from the charity stripe.
Ganda talaga ng platform ng Dasafi. Itong first season na to, big yan ng chance ng mga players dito sa Davao na magkaroon ng sariling liga na premier katulad ng UAAP sa Manila.
Oo. So this is a great platform indeed para sa Dasafi. Added exposure yan sa atong mga Davaoen yung athletes. As this is our opening day, our first game ng ating first season of the Davao Schools Athletic Foundation. That's Lulab for 3 as Dolomente able to secure the rebound.
Great matchup defense dito ng RMC Bulldogs. They did not give up easy inside para sa San Pedro, forcing them to outside shots.
Oy, nakawala doon si Monte Calvo and gets the layup to go.
Ayun na nga, man-to-man defense sa pair ng San Pedro. Dapat hindi sila basta-basta magpa-iwan sa depensa.
Marquez, that's 2 3-pointers in the first quarter.
Great find there. Pedro, sentro, Andres. Ba.
Yeah, malaki na ang kalamangan ng SPC early on sa ating first game. 11-4 is the score ngayon.
Very unusual to para sa RMC. Sila ang nalamangan dito. But expected for the champions to bounce back. Ito na, si Montanya. But bad pass.
And Lulab able to make that pass it over to Marquez. He'll try again. And he grabs his own miss. Great hustle by Keith Marquez. Rodulfa for 3. Could not send it home.
I think the champions or ang RMC needs to settle down dito. Medyo kabado yung mga plays nila, yung passes nila uh, medyo hindi crisp.
So 10 on the shot clock for RMC Bulldogs. So tatlo na sa kanilang shot clock and there's a body bomb against, that's Aaron Lulap.
Yan, medyo nawala na pasensya doon yung San Pedro College player doon. Ang ganda na sana doon, isang stop na yun pero nag-extra bump pa siya doon kaya nakatawagan siya ng foul. Great steal here by San Pedro. Great find to Taray. Magandang depensa ng RMC dito. Kaso nakakita ng mga 3-point shots nung early ang San Pedro dito. Pero if magpatuloy ito, I think okay lang to RMC. Ganda na sana ng move ni Rodolfo doon. Pero nailang siya kay Mr. Montanya. Ang lucky naman ni Mr. Na. Yes. Yeah, and I was surprised na itong RMC playing man-to-man. At saka itong si Montanya, which is the tallest guy sa kanilang team, guarding outside. Yung sentro ng ano. Kaya malakas ang loob ng pumasok itong si Lulab for SPC. Nahuli doon si Montanya sa kanyang hawi doon. Tinamaan yung player ng San Pedro. But great defense for San Pedro. Hindi sila naiilang kahit maliliit sila kumpara dito sa RMC Bulldogs. They're boxing out. Partner. Yes, ito si Kim Karim Montanya, isa sa mga iladong players din sa Davao, especially sa collegiate basketball. And he has 2 early personal fouls. Medyo naiiba na itong game dito natin dito, partner. Great defense para San Pedro dito. Frustrate itong champions. Pero parang dumipensa parang 6 partner. Hindi makalusot yung point guard ng RMC doon. Ito na si Rodolfo. What a move by Rodolfo! Ganda ng hesitation pa. Then isang step na diretso, iwan yung bantay. Ito yung magandang ginagawa dito ng San Pedro College. They're forcing RMC ilang sa kanilang opensa. Great defense naman para sa San Pedro. Forcing an outside shot dito para sa RMC. And great backs out. Costa Marquez ang natawagan ng foul doon. Nahuli yung ano niya. Yes, the one and only Prince Macabinda. And current coach ng CM4. And finally, naka ano na sila sa ilalim dito ang RMC. Great forward pass dito for San Pedro. Yes. But medyo ano yung foul niya? Medyo hard foul yun. Grabe yung hype ng ating liga. First game pa lang ito ng ating liga. Kita mo na parang playoff foul na. Partner. Playing good defense. Hanggang ngayon, I'm still trying to figure out their defense. Yung pressure man-to-man defense nila, grabe. Hindi makawalaan, meron ako. Yes, and ito parang nakikita ko dito, hindi sanay ang RMC Bulldogs sa ganitong laruan, yung grabing pressure. Kasi naiilang sila, hindi nila mararan yung set offense nila. Ang kagandahan pa dito ng San Pedro, ang SPC is they're hustling. Even kahit yung miss nila, hinahabol nila. So kaya naging yan yung resulta, lamang sila dito ng 7 points. Yes, if I were the coach as well for SPC, champion team yung kalaban mo, gagawin mo talaga yung best mo para mailang yung champion. Kasi kung i-ano mo nilang comfort zone ng champion team, mahirapan ka talaga manalo sa kanila.
Ng ating The Safi sa ating Facebook Live alongside Madiel Sports Davao. So here comes Ryan Howe.
And finally, a 3-pointer for Tito. And Ganito naman ang sequence yung part. Yes. Sabay eh. Sabay yung pagtalon ng both players eh. Sumabit lang yung katawan kaya natumawag ng foul. Hindi nagustuhan ng coach noon na walang goaltend. Ang tawag doon. Grabe partner, hindi natin namalayan yung 7-point lead. 4 na lang. Yeah. I think they settled down na dito partner. Kasi nung first time parang nandun pa yung hype eh. Ngayon, naglaro na sila nung paano nila gusto laruin yung basketball ng RMC. And ito na, open jumper, no good. Yes. Yeah, the smallest man sa ating game. Ito si MJ Reyes. Shoutout sa mga natanaw sa atong Facebook page. Please like and share po sa Madiel Sports Davao. Yes. napakagaling na player tong si Rodulfo. Nakikita ko partner, madiskarte. Tinitingnan niya anong binibigay ng depensa niya bago siya gagalaw. Kita mo yung drive niya, may step pa siya. Tapos yung pag-close out ng last defender. Kaya nakakuha siya ng foul. Yes, that's right. And siya yung isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit lamang sila dito sa defending champs. I mean sa champions ng Iskandar Cup. $40 remaining, partner. Ano kayang gagawin dito ng RMC? Great play there. Kung hindi, ang target sana nila dun si Lalem pero hindi na nakita at buti na nag-curl out dito si Inigo and pasok yun. Jumper na, ganda sa gitna.
Check. Test. Check. 1, 2, 3. Check. Three. Wala pa na. Dili lang. Hey, check. Test.
Okay, simula na po tayo sa ating second quarter as the San Pedro College Lions an 18-15 advantage over the champions from Cup, the RMC Bulldogs. Itong San Pedro College Talents want to make an early statement dito sa kanila first game in Safi.
Yeah, hindi sila napapasindak sa champion partner. Pinapakita nila na hindi sila takot. And kaya lamang sila dito. Ginulat nila ng kanilang early man-to-man pressure defense.
Especially with the efforts of the likes of John Rodulfo and of course Keith Marquez.
Yes.
Solid production.
At saka itong depensa ni MJ Reyes sa point guard ng RMC. Ito, nababard si Mr. Torrejas.
Ito, corner shot. Tapos nga lang for RMC and here comes Rodulfo. Fast break opportunity. Morales pushed on the side. Foul call against Pingpol.
So sa pansin ko, nakikita kong tactics dito ng San Pedro College is if ever they're gonna get a rebound, automatic, takbuhan kaagad sila.
Oh, they want to push the tempo for
Yes.
the SPC Stallions. Pag naka-rebound off the to get those early offensive opportunities.
Nakita mo nun si Rodulpa, nasa kanya yung bola, yung isang kakampi niya kaagad nangunguna, itong si Morales, kaya napafoul si Morales.
Oo. As he sinks the first free throw for Benedict Morales.
And I think that's a good tactics kasi maliliit sila kumpara sa RMC. And kasi pag nakaset up kasi yung RMC dito, kasi maliliit sila, they are only gonna be settled for outside shots.
Wala ng pansin dito for the RMC Bulldogs, led of course by Coach Prince Macavinta. You can see the pressure from MJ Reyes on that possession.
Ayan na, dalawang turnovers na para kay Torrejas, courtesy of this guy, the smallest man sa ating ball game, itong si MJ Reyes. Grabe. Pressure defense.
Really impressed with the effort from this kid. Itong si MJ Reyes ay may stand at only 5'3" pero yung tenacity, yung pesky on defense, really showing a solid effort there for SPC on their first game. Rodulfa, nice setup to Marinduque for two.
Eto na si Mr. Rodulfa slicing the defense, finding Marinduque for the easy shot.
So excellent distribution on the side of SPC. Here comes Inigo. May tangan ng bola. Bibigay kang Brian Howe. Here comes Montecalvo. That's a contested jumper way off. Agawa ng rebound. Bola mapunta sa nakasul ng San Pedro.
Grabe yung defense ng San Pedro doon. Kita mo partner, they're man-to-man defense pero parang nakasona kasi madali silang nagsiswitching.
Oo.
And yung gustong play gawin ng RMC, hindi na magawa. Yung tira na yun, broken play yun, consider.
Because of the solid defensive effort for San Pedro College.
Yes.
Throughout this first half, as Marinduque on the quick vert doesn't get it to fall.
Great attempt
RMC looks to stop the drought.
Yeah, great attempt din for Marinduque. Masyadong mali lang yung pektos.
So there's an open look from Montecalvo, fouled! And that's a 4-point play coming up for Montecalvo.
Yan yung unang play na nakita kong nag-successful. Doon yung RMC, great find there by Dolormente to Mr. Montecalvo.
Here's our Dasafi instant replay from John Rodulfa on the quick transition. The fastest guards from the San Pedro College Stallions. So a 4-point play coming up mula kang Montecalvo.
Ito dapat yung SPC dito, hindi sila mawala ng yung ma-discourage. Kahit na na-scorean sila kasi yung what they're doing is really working for them.
So Jay Montecalvo. So look, he's from Malungon, Sarangani Province. So shoutout natin sa ating mga kababayan natin from Sarangani.
Great
And of
find na
course,
naman dito.
From Region 12. That's a tough layup. Ay pasok pa rin from Joshua Bayate.
Grabe. Yung energy ni Mr. Rodulfa, nasa lahat sa mga kakampi niya. Wow, what a shot and what a spin.
So tatawa muna ng quick timeout si Coach Prince Macavinta at ng RMC Bulldogs. Davao City Recreational Center. As you're still watching our first game day, ating Davao Schools Athletic Foundation sa ating Facebook Live sa Madiaw Sports Davao. So, Chris, basig na yung mga shoutouts diya sa atong Facebook Live.
Yeah, so shoutout daw kay Mr. Boher Salyama from Saudi Arabia. Wow, international ang atong broadcast. And shoutout pala sa akong wife na nagtanaw, Joy Escaran. Shoutout sa Mama. Enjoy the game.
For sure, Chris, nag-enjoy Jod.
Great defense for both teams. Walang field goals sa both attempts nila. Ito yung nakita kong parang advantage ng RMC dito. Medyo successful sila sa kanilang mid-range jumper sa gitna. Medyo ang hirap naman ang pasa na yung from Rodolfo. May bantay yun. Kaya na, prone talaga sa turnover. Pero, ito si Rodolfo, they need to continue. Anong ginagawa niya kanina? Yung style, driving in the lane.
Oo. Kasi yan yung mga galawan na pinakita ni John Rodolfo, especially nung kanina sa first quarter. He was the spark on that first quarter run for the SPC Stallions.
Yes. Ito na naman, nahirapan na naman.
And Kudo throws it up. Again, yung pressure defense na binibigay ng SPC Stallions really bothering the guards ng RMC Bulldogs about the first half.
Yes, at ito lang nga, medyo nag-flop doon konti si Lulab kaya hindi siya tinawagan ng referees. Pero, munti ka na yung 28-second violation, partner.
Grabe yung intensity ng ating action. This is just our first game. Our first ever ball game ng ating Davao Schools Athletic Foundation. So don't forget to follow our Facebook page sa Davao Schools Athletic Foundation Incorporated and of course, Madiaw Sports Davao.
And napalita yung mga shoutouts. Shoutouts from Rosemary Angeli Tusan from Taiwan. Wow! Shoutout mga Lods watching from Dubai, from Joe Cagas. And shoutout GMC Kings, Unya Pailandula, from Tamtam Noya. Yan.
So you can also check our schedule sa atong Facebook page sa Davao Schools Athletic Foundation. So we have 2 more games coming up ngayong hapon na ito on this beautiful Sunday afternoon in Bayan sa Davao.
Yan, ito na, nag-a-adjust ng RMC dito, partner. Itong si Rodolfo, minamantoman na dito ng taga-RMC.
Teka, medyo may konting tension dito sa pagitan ni Rodolfo and Kudo.
Hindi na tension ang tawag niya ngayon, partner. Ang uso na ngayon, lambingan sa loob ng court. Yan.
Teka. And I think we're trying to see kung may i-review na replay dito. So I think our referee, MJ Dayandayan, will take a look at this last sequence on that replay.
Buisit. Butob ka lang. Tuwang ki. Katong during dead ball. During dead ball period.
After sa free throw, basket.
Wala.
Wala.
second position, jersey number 3 of the Bulldogs, JP Bruno, and jersey number 15 of the Stallions, John Rodolfo. Substitution for the Stallions, Keith Marquez, for John Levanzo.
Davao City Recreational Center as we continue the live action. So, before that last time out, so natawagan ng warning against JP Kudo ng RMC and John Rodolfo ng SPC Stallions. Medyo na sobrahan lang dito sa lambingon.
Yes.
Kaya tawagan ng warning doon on that last replay, on last sequence rather.
Yeah, at saka parang parte na ninyo ng mind games for both teams, partner, kasi medyo physical yung game natin. Tsaka ba yung hard defense ng SPC at yan, nakakuha naman sila ng turnover for a basket.
So that's another bucket, this time from James Lulab. So it's a point lead for SPC, 26-23 ang ating talaan.
Ito
Passes knocked away.
Suffocating defense na naman dito for Cez Pedro, and ito na, Rodolfo!
Goes all the way for the layup.
Yun talaga yung tactics nila, partner. Pag makakuha ng bola, pag hindi pa nakababa ang RMC, patay sila sa takbuhan sa SPC.
Umaaribo na ang SPC Stallions dito sa ating first half. And RMC looking for a quick response. Dolormente, poposte. Cast a size advantage. Naku, kapos nga lang. Another chance.
Great defense there for SPC. Standing their ground.
Red Dobla. Short on the three-point attempt. Here comes Kasambuhat with the rebound. Here comes Jim Pulab. Sa bola. Sa nakasul sa Pedro College. Trying to no-look pass. Intercepted by Montecalvo. Redolba. Bibigay kang Tal Dolormente. Able to spot JP Kudo. 4-2.
And ito talaga yung strengths ng RMC dito, yung height advantage nila. Pag nakalaputa sila sa ilalim, sigurado i-score talaga.
And off the turnover, here comes Tal Dolormente against Bayate. That's a missed shot. First half.
Yeah, great defense there by Ambuat doon. Standing there para hindi makaporma si Dolormente doon. But bad 3-point shot doon for SPC.
Board lang, natamaan ang that last shot mula kang Bayate.
Yes.
So it's now 20-25 advantage for the Stallions. So medyo dikit na ating labanan
Yes.
sa ating second quarter.
But kudos for San Pedro doon ha. 3 attempts na sa ilalim. Isa lang yung pumasok doon kay Kudo. But yung rebounding nila, 3 silang rumi-rebound doon sa baba. Boxing out. Ito malalaki ng RMD.
So yan yung things that they have to work on because they have that size advantage. As that shot was missed, another opportunity for Dolormente. Another shot missed. Gets it right back. Finally scores.
That's the second time na nakapasok sila ng puntos doon sa ilalim itong RMC.
So yung mga paint points now in favor of RMC dito sa ating second quarter. Marquez now matching up against Kim Montanya. Checks at the shot clock, now reads 6 seconds. Taray, mid-range jumper. It's off the mark and the Dobla could not secure the rebound.
Great attempt there for San Pedro, finding the best possible shot sa kanilang possession but hindi lang can't make it.
Kasi maganda yung ball movement ng SPC. Able
Yes.
to spot the open man pero yun nga, hindi lang naipasok yung mga outside shots. Especially on that last play.
Yes.
Now here comes Marquez. Matching up against Montanya. That's Lulab for 3. Hustle and ball will go to Kudo. RMC looks to push. Montecalvo, balik ang Kudo. Gets inside, off the mark.
Great defense na naman doon for SPC. Standing their ground sa pass break attempt ng RMC doon. And ito sa MJ Reyes.
Great pass inside. Lulab has to make an extra pass. Marquez, extra feed to Reyes. Down to the gut of the defense. Can't score inside.
Medyo border doon si ang RMC doon. Pero
Grabe yung effort. Once again from MJ Reyes. saving the possession for the Stallions.
Yes, 4 straight turnovers na force si MJ Reyes dito sa larong ito, partner.
Yung tenacity on defense, bringing a solid effort for the SPC Stallions, especially from MJ Reyes. Marquez off the crossover, and a foul called against RMC Bulldogs.
Medyo napupustrate dito yung RMC kasi maganda yung defense sila, ha? No question, but the problem is na-out-hustle sila ng SPC.
Kasi naobserba natin, even through the first quarter, yung hustle plays for the SPC Stallions, able to give up some extra possessions thanks to the hustle plays, especially from MJ Reyes. Grabe yung impact niya, lalo na sa depensa.
Yan din yung minsan yung weakness ng pagmalaki ka, yung pesky yung kalaban mo.
Oo.
Naiinis ka.
No, di ba? Parang naalala ko yung isa sa mga NBA legends, si Muggsy Bogues.
Yes.
Charlotte Hornets legend.
Meron ding isa, yung player ng Kearney ng Pelicans, si Alvarado.
Oh,
Yan
yun.
yung tingin ko sa kanya.
Oh, di ba?
Ito si MJ Reyes. Si Alvarado. Napakagaling bumipensa.
So SPC still has the advantage, 29-27. Lulab on the mid-range jumper, that's good.
Great attempt there by James Lulab. Challenging the defense of Dolormente.
At kita mo yun Chris yung mahaba yung wingspan itong si James Lulab
Yes.
Sa SPC looks to maintain the advantage as we approach 2 minutes and 45 remaining sa ating first half. And foul called against John Taray. It's now 31-27 for the Stallions ng SPC.
Yes, eto na medyo ito na yung weakness ng depensa ng SPC pag masyado silang mabilis is that if ever na mag-loose ball, sigurado makukuha talaga pag nasa area ang bola kasi malalaki yung RMC.
So 10 on the shot clock. JP Cudo now matching up against James Lulab. Dolormente for 3. Yes, sir!
And that's the that's the second 3-pointer of RMC Bulldogs sa larong ito.
So Marquez looks to go to work against 3 defenders, was fouled.
Etong si Marquez, nahihirapan talaga itong sentro ng both centers ng RMC kasi ito si Marquez, tinatake talaga nila sa labas.
So 2 more shots coming up for Keith Marquez as he gets the first free throw to go.
Either Montanya or si Dolormente china-challenge or nilalabas ni Marquez from the paint.
Alright, meron na tayong 2 minuto na titira sa ating first half. So SPC on a tight race against RMC.
Nandyan na yung paboritong Nandyan na naman yung paboritong bantayan ni MJ Reyes, itong si Torreas. Parang best friend sila sa larong ito. Okay.
Inbound pass, Dolormente. Foul called against James Lulab.
Bad rotation doon para sa San Pedro College. Nawala, nag-mixing nag-confuse doon si Marquez kaya nakawala doon si Dolormente.
So 2 free throws coming up for Tal Dolormente as he misses the first. So that's another free throw coming up for Tal Dolormente. So one of their key bigs sa laro na ito for the RMC Bulldogs.
Tatlo lang lamang dito ng SPC partner.
Oh, there's a putback. Wala kang sa Lawrence Ambuat.
Yes, ito na na-out-hustle na naman sila. Dito, great box out there by securing the rebound against Dolormente.
As we take a look at the Safi instant replay, what a box out from Lawrence Ambuat as he scores on the putback.
Hindi tinawagan ng referee ng foul kasi malakas kasi si Dolormente. Tsaka parang hindi naniwala ang referee na tutulak ka ng ganun-ganun lang. Kaya No foul was called and Ambuat with the score.
At natawag mo na ng quick timeout ang RMC Bulldogs. So, meron na po tayong 1 minute and 41 seconds remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Si SVC Stallions still maintaining the lead dito sa ating second quarter.
Yes, because of their hustling plays sa SPC, even though they were outsized, kaya lamang sila dito. But itong RMC, they're not going back down kasi nakakakuha na sila ng puntos sa ilalim, which is walang-wala nung first quarter.
Especially from the production from Tal Dolormente.
Yes.
Especially yung mga rebounding plays niya. Bibigay ng impact, instant impact in the second quarter for the RMC Bulldogs.
Yes.
The second free throw is good. So now 2-point game, 33-31. Rodulfa gets it right back, scores.
Grabe to si Rodolfa. Double pump. Grabe.
Nakahanap ng diskarte itong si John Rodulfa.
Diskarte talaga na player.
Here comes Pingol. Against two defenders. That's off the mark. Agawan ng bola. And we have a tie-up.
Kita mo yung partner, yung sino yung rebound na kagawan muna. Balawang taga-SPC. Ibig sabihin, alam nilang gagawin nila na kahit malilit sila, kahit tatlo o dalawa, gang rebounding ang tawag doon.
Grabe kasi yung team defensive effort ng SPC. Not allowing those easy opportunities for RMC, and that's a turnover. Lulav goes on the run, takes it all the way, scores!
Grabe, ito yung defense talaga dito ng SPC. Grabe. No easy shot. No easy way out para sa RMC dito for San Pedro. Yung defense na grabe.
So 39-31 ang atong score karon for the SPC Stallions. And Dolormente scores on the putback.
Masyadong malalim na yun for Ambuat to stop Dolormente. But he's really doing great job. Ang great job to si Ambuat. Stopping the centers of RMC.
So about a 10-second difference between the shot clock and the game clock dito sa ating second quarter. Rodulfa, one-hander. Off the mark. And Dolormente able to secure the rebound. Able to spot Pingol. Nako, nawalan yung control ng bola.
Dahil dun sa defense ng San Pedro, biglang nakawala dun. At saka forcing them to forward pass kasi challenge nun ng San Pedro player. Yung si Sinyong.
So 11 seconds to go dito sa ating first half. Last shot time for the Stallions. Down to 5 seconds. Rodulfa looks to go to work. Able to spring free. Kapos yung layup. And that ends a very entertaining first half, Chris.
Yeah, it's a tale of two halves for both teams. Yung hard defense ng San Pedro making them leading sa ating first half.
So at the end of the first half, it's 39-33 in favor of San Pedro College Stallions.
Good day, Davaoeños. Madayaw Davao, Madayaw Dasafi. This is Hazy Razonable, proudly courtside of San Pedro College, representing the banners of white and blue. Now I have here with me is the assistant coach of the Blue Saliots. So, coach, I have a few questions for you. So first, this is the first ever season of the FASI. So what are your expectations and your adjustments for this season?
From the start naman, from the Escandor Cup, our adjustment is just the same. We're very aggressive. Knowing that this is the first season of the SAPI, we're very blessed to have this kind of league. So the preparation is there, the aggressiveness is there. Hopefully, our game plan will be stick up to the second half.
Okay, so coach, you emphasized earlier that players should talk early on defense and watch out for screens. How do you plan to sustain the level of focus moving forward for the second half?
Leo nga, at the end of the first half, we're leading, but there are so many schemes na hindi pa namin nasusunod. Hopefully, the second quarter, we keep on reminding them that just trust the scheme, just trust the system of our defense, then hopefully we can get the win after this one.
Lastly, what can you say about the SPC community, especially that this is our first time competing for this the FASI season?
We would like to give thanks now, especially to Sir Charles Suarez for unwavering support, and hopefully the SPC community will continue, especially the alumni, to support us. There's a lot of games going forward. This is just the first game. We have 8 games more.
Thank you so much, Coach Balino, for your words. So, Davaoeños, don't blink and watch out because the excitement here in the FASI is just getting started. This is Hazy Razonable from San Pedro College. Thank you, and back to you, Ray and Lawrence.
Interview na to ni. Practice na daan. Di na ko siya magsulod. Balik mo sa kanya. Back to you, Ray. Ganun na. Tara, let's go. Ayos na lang po. Wala pa na mo na fix. Dugay ka na fix. Okay na.
Alright, babalik po tayo dito sa ating coverage sa ating Dasafi. Let's turn over to our courtside reporter, Ariel Bonleon from RMC.
Madayao Dabaweños. Wow, what an intense game that was between the SPC Stallions and the RMC Bulldogs. With me here, we have our head coach of RMC Bulldogs, Coach Prince Macavinta. So, Coach, it seems your players are having a hard time pushing through. How do you plan to motivate them to continue?
Good afternoon, Ariel. Thank you for this opportunity na ma-interview. And yung game, it's so intense because opening game is, alam naman natin yung hype ng each and every one ng mga players. So nandun, kami kulang yung depensa namin, tapos yung execution namin sa opensa, medyo mahina. Hopefully this second half, sa last 20 minutes of the game, makuha namin yung execution namin sa offense and at the same time yung defense namin.
Okay, so next question, Coach. What is your game plan now?
Kita yung intensity, especially sa defense. Hopefully by second half, makuha namin yung intensity. Yung defense namin, yung totoong depensa talaga ng RMC Bulldogs. Hopefully sa second half lumabas.
Thank you for that answer, Coach. Back to you, Ray.
Ariel Bonleon, of course. Maraming salamat, Coach Prince Macavinta. So you're still watching ating coverage on our first game sa ating Davao Schools Athletic Foundation as you're still watching live sa Facebook sa Madayao Sports Davao. So once again, ako po si Riel Lansagay. Kasama ko po si Chris Escaran as the San Pedro College Stallions with a 39-30 lead at halftime dito sa loob ng Davao City Recreational Center. So this is our inaugural season ng ating Davao Schools Athletic Foundation Incorporated. At napakaganda ang ating aksyon sa pagitan ng SPC Stallions at ng RMC Bulldogs. Sa Stallions, with their fast-paced offensive attack against the RMC Bulldogs. Thanks to the efforts of the big guys ng RMC Bulldogs, kaya they're still within striking distance of the SPC Stallions. So it's 39-33 for the SPC Stallions.
Yan, partner. So, ngayon, malalaman natin if the San Pedro will still able to keep up the pace that they wanted to play or will the big guys of RMC will be able to do what they need to do.
Oo.
Yan, gandang tanong yung partner.
Especially for SPC Stallions, thanks to the efforts of John Rodulfa, siya yung nagsispark ng offensive attack ng
Yeah.
SPC kanina sa first half.
Yeah, tsaka sa defense naman ni MJ Reyes.
Oo. Grabe yung tenacity, yung intensity sa depensa itong si MJ Reyes. And of course, on the side of RMC, yung efforts ng big guys, Taldo Lormente doing the dirty work inside sa ilalim for the
Yes.
RMC Bulldogs.
Now, it's time now for Kim Montanya na mag-step up dito kasi kanina, Dormete down his part. Ito si Kim Montanya, medyo hindi siya naramdaman nung first half, especially na foul trouble siya. Ngayon, it might be a fresh start for RMC. So, makitingnan natin mga partner.
So now third quarter now underway. And SPC looks to add the advantage as Taray short of the three-point attempt. So here comes RMC Bulldogs. So lineup ngayon, si Torrejas, Senjong, Pingol, Montanya, and Inigo. Yan yung starting five sa ating third quarter for the RMC Bulldogs.
Yeah, for San Pedro naman, you have Rodulfa Marquez. Itong si Ambuat at saka itong si Rodulfa.
Nakita natin sa sistema ni Coach Jigger Sanya talaga, no? Yung small ball lineup really making a huge difference as that three-pointer goes in for John Rodulfa.
Ito na si Rodulfa, inside outside. Ngayon pinapakita niya na pwede siya pumukol sa tres. Grabe.
So plenty of weapons from John Rodulfa, especially on their first game dito sa ating Dasafi.
Ito, struggling pa rin talaga ito si Kim Montanya. He's being double team all the time. Hindi pa niya nakuha niya yung rhythm niya sa larong to.
Because of the suffocating defense from the side of SPC. Montanya on the mid-range. Medyo tahimik pa yung opensa ni Kim Montanya. But another chance. Torrejas for three. Short. And here comes James Tab. Is all alone for two.
Yeah. Ito talaga yung offensive tactics nila. Pag makuha ni Rodolfa, expected yung kakampi niya, nangunguna, tatakbo forward.
So napakaraming mga fast break opportunities na binibigay ng SPC. Especially kanina sa first half.
Yes. And they're still doing it, the same game plan sa ating third quarter.
This is a tough turnaround for Senjong. That's way off.
Kita mo naman yung box out partner, itong si Marquez, Mark Inigo, hindi
Oo.
makaporma.
Especially when you have that long wingspan from Keith Marquez.
Yes, but yung katawan niya, hindi siya yung kalakihan, pero yung wingspan niya.
As Taray knocks down the mid-range jumper.
Ganda na pasahan doon ng SPC. They're finding the open man at the best possible shot na available.
So it's now a double-digit lead for the SPC Stallions, 44-33.
Very
So,
unusual. Very unusual para MC partner. Pero
Oo.
kudos talaga sa depensa ng San Pedro. They don't let RMC na magkaroon ng rhythm sa offense. Ayan, si Kimutan, nilabas na naman. Too early. Nilabas
Oo.
sa ating laro.
Kasi kanina he had 2 early fouls in the first quarter. Itong si Kim Montanya.
Yes. And 2 possessions na wala siyang walang flow yung offense si Kimutan. Nilabas na siya muna dito. Ito na si Dormente.
And Ambuat able to draw the charge.
Ito talaga si Buhat. Doing anything, yes. Doing anything to stop the centers of RMC. Ayun, nag-successful siya ngayon na naman dito kay Dormente.
I mean, remember, Ambuat is only 5'7", pero yung defensive
niya.
smarts, grabe.
Yes.
Yung heart talaga.
Parang 7-footer.
Oo, di ba? He's able to draw the charge in that last play. Kaya San Pedro look to apply more pressure against RMC.
Ito na, binalik na sa MJ Reyes dito for defensive purposes.
So plenty of time the shot clock. Rodolfo up for 3. Knocks it down.
John Rodolfo. Quarter.
He could be the early candidate for the player of the game. Ito si John Rodolfo as a quick answer mula kang Tal Dolormenta.
Yes. Hey partner, ito napaka-smart na player to si Rodolfo at may tiros sa labas kaya pala hindi siya iniiwanan dito kaya madali siyang nakakapasok sa loob kanina.
No, plenty of time the shot clock. John Rodolfo with that last 3-pointer. He fires away. Parang he checked yan from John Rodolfo.
Yes. Ito na naman si MJ Reyes tracking down the ball handlers of RMC.
Redobla. On a cross-court pass to Kudo. Trying to go on the extra pass. Medyo malakas yung pasa doon from JP Kudo.
Ito yung sinasabi ko, yung pressure defense na ginagawa ng San Pedro. They're trying to just shadowing RMC players.
As we take a look at that, the Safi instant replay from John Rodolfo.
Yes.
Waxing hot mula sa 3.
They're forcing them bad possession para sa RMC itong San Pedro. Great defense talaga.
Here comes Keith Marquez. Had a steady showing from the outside kanina sa first quarter. 3 to shoot. Rodolfo has to hurry. But he commits a 24-second violation.
And finally, a defensive stop here for RMC for San Pedro. Rare defensive stop sa larong ito
Oo.
for RMC.
So yung mga things that they have to improve much more sa third quarter. Kasi they're down by 14. Itong RMC Bulldogs.
Yes. Ito na naman ang Reyes Torrejas matchup sa defense.
Oh, natawagan ng traveling against Senjong.
Yes, they're forcing turnovers. Ito, ang ganda nito ng defense ng San Pedro, they're making RMC players guessing
Oo.
or pinagda-doubt sila kung anong gagawin nila. So,
So-
mahirap yun partner kasi kung ikaw isang player, kung doubtful ka sa gagawin mo, hindi ka talaga makaka-execute na maayos.
Isang daming mga bad breaks na ginagawa ng RMC kaya they're down by 14 here in this third quarter. Follow-away jumpers short. Another opportunity for SPC.
Another hustle play there for our SPC. Nakuha niya yung offensive board.
Marquez wide open for 3.
And that's Keith Marquez, third 3-pointer sa larong to.
It's an excellent afternoon for Keith Marquez for
Yes.
SPC. Okay, so it's 52-35. 17 na ang abante ng SPC Stallions. And Dolormente with a quick answer.
Itong si Dolmete talaga nabubuhay sa opensa ng RMC. And ito,
MJ Reyes.
challenging the defense of Dolormente. Wow!
Here comes Senjong. Hits the follow-away jumper. So we're now at the halfway point sa ating third quarter.
Great find there by Torrejas to Mr. Senjong. Ito si Senjong. Ito rin siya sa parang offensive scorer ng RMC sa larong to.
So mababalik po tayo dito sa ating third quarter. As we take a look at that last replay, the Safi instant replay from Keith Marquez, third three-pointer of the game. Alright, balik po tayo dito sa Davao City Recreation Center. As you're still watching the opening day sa ating Dasafi, and let's listen to a courtside report from Bricks Formentera.
Okay, thank you so much, Kuya Ray. This is Bricks Formentera reporting live dito sa Davao Recreational Center, formerly known as Almendras Gym, Davao City, for the Dasafi Basketball Tournament. Main game natin ngayon, or our first game, is San Pedro College Stallions kontra Rizal Memorial College's Bulldogs. At grabe, ang init ng laban sa first quarter. Lumala namang ang SBC dahil sa malakas nilang inside plays. Habang medyo nag-struggle pa ang depensa ng RMC, pero pagdating ng second quarter, bumawi ang RMC sa mabilis silang fast breaks at outside shooting. Habang patuloy naman ang SBC sa pagkontrol ng pace ng laro. Kanina si Coach Jagger Sanyal ng SBC reminded his players to stay calm and focus, habang si Coach Prince Macaventa ng RMC emphasized better ball movement. So far, star player ng RMC si Dolormente leading the offense before hindi nagpapahuli ang SBC, determined pa ring bumawi. Once again, this is Bricks Rumel Formentera, your courtside reporter for the DAFC Basketball Tournament. Balik sa inyo, Ray.
Alright, maraming salamat Bricks for that courtside report. So, 15 na po ang abante ng SBC, 54-39 with 4 minutes to go sa ating third quarter.
Yes, itong si Dolormente na bumubuhay dito para sa RMC. At ito na naman si Rodolfa.
Hindi rin magpapahuli si John Rodulfa as he's still waxing hot from 3.
Yeah, that's his third three-pointer din, partner.
Grabe. Yung pinapikitang offensive game from John Rodulfa rather. As a quick answer from Tal Dolormente.
Siguro kailangan nitong i-pick up ng malayo dito si Rodolfa. They're letting Rodolfa doing his own thing. Kaya ito, dumidiskarte si Rodolfa at pumapasok matiga rin Rodolfa.
And RMC looks to go on the run. 2-on-1 fast break. As John Mark Pingol scores inside.
Defense up there for RMC and great offense para sa kanila.
And for the RMC Bulldogs, oh, that's a bad break again for the RMC Bulldogs, I think. Teka lang, that was SPC with the offensive foul. That's Russell Laganson with the offensive foul.
Ito, baka ito na yung break na hinahanap ng RMC dito para makakreate ng momentum. They have post basket para sa kanila. 12-point lead na ito, partner.
Oh, still plenty of basketball dito sa ating second half. As RMC looks to make a quick spark dito sa ating third quarter. Poposte dito si Tal Dolormente. Turnaround jumper. Oh, that's a wild shot. Dolormente, another chance. Offensive foul called against RMC.
And ako, nakatawagan ng offensive foul doon si Dolormente.
Oh, take a look at that last replay from Tal Dolormente. Able to sink that mid-range jumper. So natawagan ng second personal foul against Taldo Romente. There it is.
Nahuli yung si Kunya doon.
Oo.
Partner, um-extend.
Oh,
Kaya tinawagan siya ng offensive foul doon.
Rodolfa. Bibigay kay MJ Reyes to 10 on the shot clock. Lost control of the basketball. Would have been a great hustle there for San Pedro College.
Which is trademark nila ng buong game na to. Yung hustle nila. Grabe.
Mukhang nasaktan ata si Taldo Romente. Looks
Nako.
like he's holding on to his left ankle.
Yes. Siya pa naman yung bumubuhat sa RMC dito.
Oo. Siya kasi yung parang focal point sa opensa, itong si Taldo Romente.
Yes. And tsaka siya rin yung parang swerte sa kanilang teams in terms of offense.
So, take a look at that last replay on that hustle play between these two teams. Ayun, nasaktan si Taldo Romente. So, grabe yung bakbakan sa bola between these two ball clubs.
Yes.
It's still shaken up, so he's being
Medyo
assisted
mukhang-
by the medical staff dito sa Davao City Recreation Center.
Hinahawakan niya yung ano niya partner, yung kanyang tendon. Nako, medyo masakit yan.
Oh,
I hope that is just a sprain or
sana nga lang, it's
Yeah.
not it's only a sprained ankle for Taldo Romente.
kasi malaki pa naman siya na player.
He has been the valuable piece for the RMC Bulldogs on their first game dito sa Dasafi.
Nako, mahirap partner, hindi niya kayang lagyan ng weight yung paa niya. So I think it's might be done in this ball game. Siya pa naman siguro na may 16 points na siya.
Oo, grabe yung effort ni Taldo Romente on
Yes.
his first game for Dasafi. So, gonna be replaced by Brian Howe. So, tingnan natin anong kaya maging impact for Brian Howe dito sa ating third quarter for the RMC Bulldogs.
Yes.
So,
And I think for me, I think siguro tip ko dito para sa RMC, they need to just play calm. Kasi kanina sinasabayan kasi nila yung intensity ng SPC,
Oo.
which is working sa SPC. Sa kanila medyo na-off yung offensive flow nila.
and that's Wendell Dobla knocks down the three-pointer. So, it's now a single-digit ball game na, Chris.
Yes, 10 na lang yung lamang inahabol nila dito. Great offense para sa RMC doon.
Okay, 2 minutes na tayo sa ating third quarter.
Siguro makakaroon ng spark sa injury ni Dormente, but Marquez answers.
Balik sa double digits ang abante ng SPC Stallions.
Yes, that's sport 3-pointer partner sa larong to, Marquez.
Oh. It's been very reliable from 3 itong si Keith Marquez for the San Pedro College Stallions.
Mahirap siyang i-block partner kasi matangkad at siya mahaba yung kamay niya. Para siyang Kevin Durant
Oh, di ba?
sa NBA.
Oh, that's John Mark Pingol. Nice turnaround. And knocks down the jump shot.
Great professional fadeaway jumper daw for Pingol.
Grabe yung atake from Keith Marquez, yung quickness.
Yes.
As he was able to spot a little crack of the defense.
Yeah. Ang tingin ko kasi dito, bakit parang naiilang yung RNC dito sa San Pedro? Kasi the San Pedro team are not like a common team na may sentro, na which is maglalaro sa ilalim, then wings, and then a shooter and a point guard.
Oo.
Ito, lahat sila pwedeng dumive.
Oo.
Lahat sila pwedeng tumira sa labas. Kaya yung kanina, as you notice, si Kim Montanya, even si Dormente minsan lumalabas para kunin si Marquez. Kaya wide open yung gitna nila for the easy drive para kay Rodolfa.
Kaya very effective yung small boy lineup na ini-implement ngayon ni Coach Jigger Saniel.
Yes.
Lalo na yung mga fast break opportunities ng San Pedro. Yan yung tema throughout the first 3 quarters for the San Pedro College Stallions. So RMC looks for a quick answer dito sa ating final minute of the third quarter. Brian Howe, mid-range. Doesn't go. Another chance. That won't work.
Hustle na dito for RSPC. Great defense by Torreas.
Great swipe. Oy, may banggaan doon. And a foul against SPC.
Grabing sequence partner.
High intensity sequence. Kita natin, partner.
Yes. But pansin ko yung San Pedro partner, magpapakamatay sa bola.
Oo.
They're really living with their philosophy na hustle play every possession.
And remember, this is just our first game, pero grabe yung intensity sa ating first opening day na ating Dasafi.
maganda rin kasi na makuha mo yung first game sa liga at as early as the first day, partner. Kasi parang yan yung yung setup parang barometer mo ba kung ano na magtitimpla kung ano na ba yung status na team mo, kung kaya na bang manalo para sa liga or para ready na ba sila or hindi pa.
Yan yung magandang sukatan din if they have the chance to be one of the title contenders
Yes.
on our first season sa ating Dasafi.
Especially, parang ito, consider, kung mananalo SPC ito, the way they play is like an upset. No one thinking that RMC will be down as 11 points going to the fourth quarter.
Oo. So quite a surprise talaga nakita natin for SPC. Remember, RMC, one of the established college teams dito sa Davao.
Yes, and they are champions sa previous league na college dito sa Davao.
And that shot won't work for Torrejas. SPC looks to push. And that was broken up from Patrick Torrejas.
Great defense by Torrejas doon, not giving up doon para sa possession.
Okay, 11 seconds na lang ang natitira sa ating third quarter. So last shot time for the Stallions ng SPC.
Yes.
So babalik dito si Jay Montecalvo, one of their shooters on the lineup for Coach Prince Macavinta. Lula with the inbounds. Here comes Rodulfa. 9 seconds to work with. Babalik ang Lulab. On the two-man game, here comes Rodulfa. Another three.
Parang Stephen Curry, Klay Thompson play yun, partner. Setting up Rodulfa. Alam nila na si Rodulfa yung hahanapin nila. San Pedro College.
So what a showcase indeed for the San Pedro College Stallions as we take a look at the Safi instant replay. Sa John Rodulfa putting on a show, especially from the outside dito sa ating third quarter. So it's now 64-50 in favor of San Pedro College Stallions. Okay, babalik po tayo sa Davao City Recreational Center. And of course, our next game mamaya will be the UM Tagum College Panthers facing off against the Aeroviation School of Mindanao Aeromasters. Mamaya po yan sa ating second game. And of course, our third game mamaya will be the Agro Sailors against Jose Maria College Kings. Yan ating aabangan sa ating next two games ngayong linggo.
Yes, magandang laban yan mamaya, partner. Pero focus dito, partner. The champions of the Escandor Cup will able to bounce back. Makabalik na larong to. They're down by 14 points.
Ang tanong kasi ngayon, how they will stop the effort from John Rodulfa na mainit pa ngayon mula sa tres.
Yes, please. He already has 4 3-pointers sa larong to.
As Marquez. And there's a body bump, the foul called against RMC.
Ganda ng fake doon ni Mr. Marquez. Kailangan talaga siyang kunin doon sa tres kasi panglima niyan, kung papasok yun, kung tinira niya yun sa tres.
And that's a foul against Albor. We have the first personal foul. There's that the Safi instant replay. So itong si Keith Marquez, one of their steady scorers for San Pedro College. Of course, alongside John Rodolfa. Marami ng mga 3-point shots na binibigay ni Keith Marquez dito sa ating opening game.
Yes, tama yan. Shooter nga, mahaba ang kamay. Mahaba pa na player. Kevin Durant nga.
O, di ba? Mahaba yung galamay kasi itong si Keith Marquez.
Yes. He's forcing the centers of the RMC na lumabas, dapat depensahan siya. Kaya wide open nung gitna para sa RMC. Which is very unusual para sa team nila.
So it's now a 15-point lead for the San Pedro College Stallions. So 10 on the shot clock.
Great defense naman dito for RMC. Forcing.
That's Albor. Oy, natawagan ng traveling
Ayun
violation.
na nga, sabi ko. Great defense causing turnovers, problems dito for the RMC. Hindi talaga nila maran-run yung gusto nilang gawin sa kanilang offense.
Sabi kasi yung defensive sequence na binibigay ng SPC kaya
Yes.
medyo nahihirapan sa offensive sets itong RMC eh.
Yes, they're playing hard itong SPC. They're pumping every time na magta-try na mag-create ng offense ang point guard na RMC. Kaya nahihirapan talaga siya mag-create ng offense.
And a quick foul against JP Kudo.
Tingin ko dito for RMC, I think they need to close out si Rodolfa. Not making him at even touch the basketball kasi sa kanya talaga nasisimula yung offense ng SPC. And once he will able to create, nakikita niyo yung mga kakapi niya wide open or he gonna drive it inside the basket.
Nahanap kasi ng paraan itong RMC is how they will force John Rodolfa to make those uncomfortable decisions.
Yeah, gaya nun.
And that's a turnover there for SPC. So Montecalvo looks to create a spark as he goes on the drive. That was a wild possession. Ito na si Rodolfa tumatakbo. 3-on-2 fast break. Marquez scores.
Grabe. What a connection from Rodolfa to Marquez. Itong dalawang to talaga. Grabe.
Grabe yung combo
Yes.
from Rodolfa and Marquez dito sa ating first game.
Sa itong si Rodolfa ha, hindi ko nakita. Mga 3 minutes na yata nagpahinga to nung first half. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa siya nilalabas.
Oo. So grabe yung trust na binibigay ni Coach Gear Saniel for John Rodolfa. As Pingol launches for 3. Yes, sir.
They need stops here for RMC. Great basket, great 3-point shot there. What a pass!
Unselfish play again as Laganzon scores inside.
They're dissecting the defense of the RMC itong San Pedro.
So great team basketball on the transition play for SPC. 69-53 ating talaan. Senjong hands it off. JP Kudo. Cross-court pass. Montecalvo for 3. Off the mark and Marquez with the rebound.
Great box out there for Marquez. Boxing out tong si jersey number 10 ng RMC.
Mid-range
Another
shopper
great
gets
pass.
it to go from Nico Marinduque.
Grabe, everything is falling now for SBC. From defensive stops until sa offensive shots. Grabe.
So
Everything for San Pedro.
Oh, napakaganda yung offensive game now for SPC on their first game sa ating Dasafi. Montecalvo will try again. Finally, knocks down a 3.
Ito kasi yun yung kagandahan ng run and gun. Kasi dapat run and gun tagatawag dito sa SPC. Kasi you're creating your own offense. Maghanap mo yung sinong best shot, yun yung ititira mo. Unlike yung sa RMC kasi medyo systematic sila na offensive runs. Pag hindi mo na-run yung offense mo, medyo hindi ka comfortable sa offense nyo.
Montecalvo will try again.
And
That's 2 straight 3s.
Back-to-back 3-pointers
Yes,
for Mr.
from
Montecalvo.
Jay Montecalvo. So it's now 71-59 for the SPC Stallions. And RMC, they have to make some stops.
Yes, 12-point lead na lang to.
Hindi pa safe ang kalamangan dito for SPC.
Yes, mahaba pa tong 6 minutes.
That's right.
Great defense on Rodolfa.
4 to shoot. Lulab. Oh, that was a great defensive job from JP Kudo, forcing a shot clock violation. Take a look at that last replay. Hatid sa inyo ng Davao Schools Athletic Foundation. As Nico Marinduque knocks down the mid-range jumper. On the other side, Armin Montegalvo able to convert the back-to-back three-point shots. But still, SPC still has the advantage, 71-59. So it's now 71-61 for the San Pedro College Stallions. So again, di pa safe ang kalamangan dito as Lulab drives inside. Bad defensive sequence for RMC.
Yeah, miscommunication doon for RMC. Nagkasabay yung dalawang defenders doon. Nagkabangal kaya nakawala doon si Lulab.
So medyo nakahanap na ng paraan sa opensa dito ng RMC.
Yes, as you notice, wala nang legit center dito ang RMC. Nag-small ball na sila dito.
Oo.
So para yung intensity ng mapantayan yung intensity ng SPC dito.
Kasi nakita natin yung side sa RMC, medyo nakuha na yung rhythm sa kanilang offenses. That was a bad shot. RMC still has another chance. As we're now at the halfway point sa ating fourth quarter. Ball knocked loose. Last touch by SPC, I think. Yep. So we take a look at the Sapi instant replay from John Mark Pingol as he goes off the glass for the twos.
Ito na din makikita rin naman yung SPC dito if their stamina will kick in kasi yung mga key players nila dito hindi pa pinapalitan.
Oo.
Simula kanina third quarter.
Ay,
Nilabas mo na si Rodulpa dito.
Hindi lang ipasok yung 3-point attempt ni JP Kudo. They will have cut the deficit within a single-digit ball game kasi 10 pa ang kalamangan na SPC.
Yes. So pinakita mo na dito si Rodulfa for San Pedro. Quick rest yan sigurado.
Oo. He has been shouldering the offense kasi itong si John Rodulfa. Even mula pa sa opening tip. So here comes Keith Marquez. Matching up against Ransen Diong. Looks
Great
for a
defense by
friend.
RMC dito.
That's Taray.
And ako sumabit dun si Mr. Pingol.
And that's a foul on a 3-point shot.
They're gonna check on that one.
So take a look at that last Dasafi instant replay, Chris. That was a late closeout from John Mark Pingol.
Yeah, it's a 3-point attempt for Mr. Taray. Medyo nawala sa presence of mind doon si Mr. Pingol. Bad defensive play yon para sa kanya. Wala yung shot clock nun. Almost zero na.
So again, yung sinabi mo kanina, miscommunication on the defensive end for RMC. That's the thing they have to work on. Kasi naghahabol pa sila dito in the final 4 minutes sa ating fourth quarter.
Yes. And I think marami sila matututunan ang itong RMC dito, partner, sa larong ito. If ever the outcome will not gonna be in their favor, I think marami talaga sila matutunan dito kasi they need to be versatile. Pag ganito yung kalaban nila, yung pesky, maliliit, na hassle ang buong 5 players.
And remember, itong RMC Bulldogs they were the champions nung nakaraang Escandor Cup.
Which is they beat this team doon sa Escandor Cup. Pero ngayon, nag-adjust yung San Pedro sa kanila. Pinaghandaan talaga sila.
Oo. And don't be surprised, itong SPC Stallions will be one of the contenders dito sa ating first season, ating
And what a
Dasapi.
pass!
Nako, sayang yung layup from Ambuat. Gets it right back though.
And kita mo yung partner, sino nakakuha ng rebound doon? The smallest man. And yan naman si Ambuat. Grabe! What a hustle play for SPC na naman.
And that has been one of the themes sa ating ball game, Chris.
The story of this ball game.
Yes, yung hustle plays. And a foul called against RMC. It has been an excellent afternoon to start the season for the SPC Stallions.
And I think that dito talaga mas na gutom itong SPC kasi pinaghandaan talaga nila. Alam nilang gagawin ng isang ng RMC. Every RMC, what they trying to do sa possession nila sa kanilang offense, already been predicted by SPC.
Oh,
And
beautiful backdoor pass. Great two-man game between Marquez and Rodulfa.
matalino talaga to si Rodolfo. Grabe. What a player.
So nakita natin yung solid team chemistry ng SPC kaya
Yes.
15 na po ang kalamangan na SPC Stallions. As we take a look at the Dasapi instant replay, Chris. That was a beautiful backdoor pass from Keith Marquez.
Tama yung word mo, exact partner, yung chemistry. Ito yan pala yung dapat natin makita na wala sa RMC. Medyo yung chemistry nila hindi masyado nakikita sa larong to. At saka yung Sir Pedro, yung chemistry nila from offense to defense. Buong 5 players sa loob ng court, alam kung anong gagawin.
Oo. I mean, everyone on that SPC lineup really contributing on both offense and defense talaga dito sa kanilang first game. So no wonder, we won't be surprised na itong SPC could be one of the contenders sa ating first season na ating Dasapi.
Yes. Open sa tingin ko sila yung parang medyo pinaka-small na lineup, but eto,
Mainit pa rin yung mga kamay ni Keith Marquez mula sa 3.
this 3-pointer. Wow.
I think si Keith Marquez and John Rodulfa could be the co-best players of the game, I think. Ano sa
Yes.
tingin mo, Chris?
Yes, I definitely. Dalawa from both hitting 4 pointers. 4 Dulpa, 5 3-pointers for Marquez.
What a combo
What a combo.
sa ating first game for Keith Marquez and John Rodulfa.
Tsaka kung may honorable mention dito si MJ Reyes, yung defense niya, grabe.
Oo.
Ito si forcing turnover naman si MJ Reyes. Grabe.
I'll take a look at the Dasapi instant replay as Keith Marquez converts another 3-point shot on his first game dito sa ating Dasapi.
But this is not gonna be a panic for RMC kung matalo man sila sa ito. Kasi first game pa naman.
Oh, and of course, this is a round-robin elimination
Single
round.
round robin. So, 9 games lahat per teams.
Exactly. And of course, the top 4 teams at the end of the elimination round, papasok na sila sa semifinals.
Yes.
Here comes MJ Reyes, bibigay kang Taray. Oh, another no-look pass! Marquez lays it in and one.
Grabe. Wala ka masabi.
Look at this last sequence on the Dasapi instant replay. John Taray with another dish as Marquez with another bucket for 2.
Parang silang magkasama from high school to college, yung team na to.
Oh, matagal na sila magkasama itong San Pedro College Stallions. I mean, this is a great program being implemented by Coach Jigger Saniel.
Yes.
Kaya napakaganda yung chemistry
Chemistry talaga.
from this lineup.
Makita mo doon sa play na yun pa lang. Yung chemistry itself, wala no question. Apat na players nakahawak ng bola nung play na yun. In a split seconds.
So for sure, this team is very dangerous dito sa ating elimination round sa ating Dasapi. SPC with a solid outing sa ating first game.
Yes. At yung mga ibang teams ito, scouted ng SPC.
Oh, for sure.
Gulat na gulat to, sigurado, ang ibang teams.
That's right. And for RMC, they're gonna go back to the drawing board, of course. Kasi they still have plenty of opportunities ahead dito sa ating elimination round.
Sa mukhang malaki talaga yung bagay na nawala si Dormente sa game na to, partner. Kasi si Dormente yung bumubuhat sa kanila sa opensa kanina. Nung first sub, score 16 points. And
What an afternoon for John!
a statement game para to sa San Pedro. Kasi
Oo.
pinapakilala nila na ang team nila ay hindi basta-basta sa ating liga, sa Dasapi.
Katulad yung sinabi ko, Chris, they could be one of the contenders dito sa
Yes.
ating inaugural season na ating Davao Schools Athletic Foundation.
Yes. So, no one expecting this kind of result especially for RMC, but still, team pa lang po ito sa liga at sa kanilang team. So, definitely, marami pang pwede mangyari. They're gonna make adjustments, especially for RMC.
And of course, yung X-Factor yung na-mention natin, MJ Reyes
Yes.
for SPC. What a defensive effort for the little guy on the floor. Pero grabe, yung buong puso na binibigay ni MJ Reyes. This is just the first game for SPC. So, a lot of heroes ating aabangan dito heading to the next games na ating Dasapi.
Yes, si Dodulfa yung nag-spearhead sa kanila.
And of course, congratulations to San Pedro College Stallions as they win their first game dito sa ating Davao Schools Athletic Foundation. And of course, we have our next two games ngayong hapon na ito. You have University of Mindanao Tagum College Panthers facing off against the AVS Aeromasters. And our last game ngayong linggo, we have the Agro Sailors against the JMC Kings. So yan ating aabangan sa ating susunod na dalawang laro dito sa ating first game of our first season of the Davao Schools Athletic Foundation. So what a debut game indeed for the San Pedro College Stallions. So a great afternoon for Coach Jigger Saniel and the rest of the boys of the Stallions of San Pedro College. And for the RMC Bulldogs, a great showing for the white shirts led by, of course, their head coach Prince Macavinta. But still, they have a lot of opportunities ahead for the RMC Bulldogs heading into the next game sa ating elimination round. So we will await the interview with the best player of the game as we continue our live coverage sa ating Davao Schools Athletic Foundation. And I hope you enjoyed watching sa ating live coverage sa ating Dasapi, hatid sa inyo ng Madayaw Sports Davao. Take a look at our full game highlights at sa inyo ng Davao Schools Athletic Foundation. So, Tal Del Lumente with a solid outing pero unfortunately he got injured kanina sa ating second half. But a great effort for Tal Del Lumente and for the rest of the RMC Bulldogs. But they come up short as John Rodulfa with an excellent showing on his first game for the SPC Stallions. So, he's awarded as the best player of the game for the SPC Stallions as they win it by 20s, 86 to 66. So ating antayin ng ating courtside interview with John Rodulfa, and here's Hazy Razonable with the courtside interview with John Rodulfa.
Madayaw Davao, Madayaw Dasapi. What a game! The crowd's energy here at Dasapi says it all. This is the kind of basketball Davao has been waiting for. SPC Stallions showed pure heart and hustle all throughout. In the final 2 minutes, SPC locked in a solid 20-point lead, sealing the victory in their first match-off in the opening season of the SAFI. The Stallions went back-to-back scoring runs led by the team captain. Here with me, Mr. John Rodolfa, the best player of the game with 26 points, 5 assists, 2 steals, and 2 rebounds, whose leadership and composure set the tone. So now, Mr. Rodolfa, can I ask if ano ang mga preparations na ginawa niyo for this season?
Among preparation kay kuan dagan lang gyud pa-kondisyon ug mayo then katong mga mali na mo atong sa una kay mo gyud tong ginapang correct every practice. So kuan lang ang among kuan ni pambato kay wala man may mga height.
So what can you say that in the first game for the opening of the SAFI, you are the winner and ikaw pa ang best player of the game. So what can you say?
Wala lang, kuan lang, thankful lang ko og nagapasalamat po ko sa Ginoo kay sa ano niya sa guidance niya sa among team and para ni sa among team and sa school.
So lastly, since you have mentioned our school, what can you say to our SPCans and also na baka gusto i-shout out?
Sa school kay thank you sa support labi na kang Sir Charles, thank you kayo. And also sa shoutout ako kong family nga nagtanaw gyud complete po and sa akong jowa nako nagtanaw pod nagwatch nga masking busy kayo yung schedule ya support gyapon.
Thank you so much, Mr. Rodolfa, and congratulations SPC for a well-deserved win. Once again, this is Hazy Razonable delivering the latest courtside updates. Thank you and thank you so much.